Are you praying about moving to the country or learning practical skills for the last days? Join us for the SDA Country Living Tour and Workshops, May 21st through 25th, 2026, in Redding, California. We start on Thursday evening with our orientation meeting. Tour 13 beautiful properties while learning what to look for when searching for country land. On Sabbath, enjoy worship, lunch, a powerful prophecy class, and a mild nature hike around Lassen Volcanic National Park. Sunday features intense hands-on workshops on gardening, fruit orchards, food preserving, herbal plants, irrigation systems, greenhouses, solar power, and medical missionary work. Monday offers an optional additional property tour. Come, experience faith, fellowship, and practical training for country living. Reserve your spot today and join us in Redding this May.